In this video, I'm going to answer a common question that aspiring coaches have, which is, do you need a coach certification to become a coach? So by the end of the video, you'll have a definitive answer of whether or not you need to go get certified to become a coach. Now, before I give you an answer, I just want you to know why people get coach certifications. The reason is because they want to develop the skills to help their clients get better results. That's a whole reason why you would get certified to become a coach. But the problem that I see today is that there are tons of coaches out there with multiple certifications who have the skills to help people, but they still go after certification and continue to collect diplomas on their wall and letters at the end of their name because they don't feel confident in what they're delivering. And so here's a disclaimer that I want you to start with, and that is this. Qualification is binary. Either you're qualified to help somebody or you're not. It's 0 or 1. There's no gray area. If you aren't qualified, if you don't have the skills to coach clients, to ask effective questions, to help them get the results that they want, then absolutely 1000% go get trained up. And probably the best way to do that is getting certified as a coach so that you have the skills to facilitate transformation. But if you are qualified, if you have the expertise, if you've gotten the results yourself that you're helping your clients get, if you've helped other clients get those results too, you don't need more coaching certifications. You're just wasting money and time, in my opinion. Now, again, I'm a big believer in becoming a student of mastering your craft. So I'm not discounting or discouraging you to invest in mastery. Always invest in mastery. But there's a difference between getting certified and getting clients. And the mistake that I see all day long with coaches that I talk to is that they think that getting certified is what's going to get them clients, and it doesn't. Sure, it'll make you better as a coach, but it doesn't translate to more coaching clients. Why? Those are entirely different skill sets. You get to learn lead generation, how to grow an audience on social media, how to enroll clients, how to scale your coaching business beyond one-on-one. Those are all skills that are not taught in most coach certification programs. Again, the reason why so many coaches rely on more certifications is because of fear, doubt, and insecurity. And I get it. Trust me, I've been there. Like 13 years ago when I launched my coaching business, I thought to myself, who am I in the world to help anybody? I didn't have results in my life. And in fact, I didn't have results in my business, which is why I didn't start as a business coach. You see, where I started as a health and transformation coach, like a health and peak performance coach, because I had a level of mastery in that area. So if you are going to start building a coaching business and getting clients, then make sure to build it around an outcome and a result that you've gotten yourself. That's going to lead to you having the highest level of confidence and certainty in your abilities. Does that mean you'll never feel like an imposter? Of course not. In fact, I want you to feel like an imposter. I know that sounds harsh, but here's why. If you feel a little bit like an imposter, what that means is it means that you're operating outside of your comfort zone. You're in a growth mindset. If you don't feel any resistance around that, then you're probably playing too small, right? Anytime you grow, it's new, it's unknown, right? And so of course you're going to feel like an imposter. As my coaching business grows and we hit new levels and new levels and new levels, every single stage is scary. Every stage, there's that sliver of imposter syndrome. But I don't look at that as something I need to avoid. I look at that as, okay, I'm on the right path. Now, how do I gain the mindset, the skill sets, the capabilities to make this new uncertain thing like my new normal, okay? So that's the answer to your question. Do you need to get certified to become a coach? It depends. If you're already qualified to help somebody, you don't need more certifications. I would rather see you invest your time, energy, and money in a business coach who can teach you the skills to generate leads and get clients. And that's not just because I'm a business coach. You don't need to work with me. You can work with anybody else. But those are the skills that you need to really get more clients. If you want to have a ripple effect on humanity and literally transform this human race, then go learn those skills. But if you're just starting and you don't have any skills in helping clients, then yes, go get certified as a coach for sure. Okay. Now, I promise I'd teach you and I refer to you some coach certification programs. I don't have time to do that in this video, but in my next video, I recommend 3 specific coach certification programs out there that are very high quality, that are reputable, and that I think train their students incredibly well. So make sure to watch my next video to see that. If this video was useful, subscribe to my channel. That way you never miss a future video. And my name is Peter Scott, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.